Thank you for purchasing this 1973 Nishijin Model B Pachinko machine. This quick start guide will show you how to set it up and play. First, you want to lock the ball drain lever. It's this metal piece right here. It's currently unlocked, and the way we lock it is there's a metal tab right here, and you're going to push that over to the right, and when we push it, it latches with the part above it. Next, we need to make sure that the one ball seesaw is in the correct position. It's the white part inside of this, behind this plastic window. Right now, the right side of it is down, which is the wrong position. We need to pivot it so that it's pointing up. And the way to pivot it is there's just a loose pin underneath here, and you can just push up on it. You got to push up hard enough to get it to reset the seesaw. Next, you'll connect the battery. It's optional. You only need the battery if you want to see the lights come on. Otherwise, it's all mechanical machine. So we'll go ahead and I'm just going to touch it. You can actually snap it on. And as you see, this light up here came on. This light comes on to let you know that you need to add balls to the top supply tray. Let me show you another way that you need to, that'll tell you that you need to refill the balls. So on the top left, that's the light that came on from the that we saw on the back of the machine a while ago to let you know you need to add balls. Then also, right above the flipper inside of this window, you see that blue, red, and white sign? That sign will drop down also whenever you need to add balls. And just above that gray part, there's a little doorway where the balls roll into the shooter assembly. When this blue and red, white sign drop down, it also closes the path for that doorway. So I'm just going to add a few balls to the play tray here. Now I'll add some balls to the supply tray and back, and when I do, they'll roll down this track, around this turn, and enter into your jackpot assembly. Then you'll want to take the bucket and set it down here at the bottom of the machine. It'll catch balls that come out of this chute and this chute. Now to play Pachinko, you can take your index finger and set it up against this chrome post. This is called your finger rest bar. And then you can take your thumb and set your thumb on top of the flipper. And what you'll do is you'll pull down on the flipper all the way and then slide your thumb off the flipper so it can spring back up, launching a ball onto the playfield. The first time you do it, nothing will happen because it's loading a ball into the shooter lane. After that, it'll actually shoot the ball. Depending on how far you want the ball to shoot across the playfield, that's how far you pull down the flipper for different power settings. So sometimes you can take a couple fingers here, pull the flipper down until it's right on top of your fingers, and use that as a gauge to how far you want the ball to go across the playfield. Okay, let's play Pachinko. So we launched a ball, it went into this tulip here. We saw the lights flash, the balls fell down, hit a bell, we heard the bell sound, and then they paid out to this pocket here. Also, when a tulip is open like these two, and a ball goes in, they'll close. If they're closed and a ball goes in, they'll open. We're just going to play for a little bit. Now we're just going to drop some balls into various pockets and see what happens. You have this top triple S. It pivots two ways. In this position, the only way to get a ball in is straight through the top. When you do get a ball in, it'll flip, and in that position you can actually get a ball to enter in from the side or the top. I'm going to drop one in the top. As you can see, it went through the main attraction. It opened up this tulip and this tulip. Now with it that way, I can get one in the side. Okay, now if you get one in either of these gates on the side, it'll open up This one will open up this tulip if it's closed, and same for the other one. And if this one's open and you get one in, it'll open over that tulip. Oh. Let's try that again. Okay, so if this is open, it'll open that one. Okay, that's it for this quick start guide. We sure hope you enjoy your machine.